Hello friends, welcome back to our channel and today we have an Indian blogger named Dhruv Gandhi. Hello Dhruv, how are you doing?
Hello, fine.
Let's start with our interview.
Yeah,
I've got a couple of questions for you. Hope you're ready for them.
yeah.
So my first question for you is that what time did you make your blog? Like in which year?
Mm, Mostly I started my journey as a blogger in June 2019. See,
Okay.
I was a very creative child since childhood means. I was very creative. So, and I always wanted to try something extraordinary. And at that moment, during those time, I used to read a lot of blogs. So by that, I started my blogs, writing my own
No,
blog.
no, it's perfectly fine if you want to answer in Hindi because we have many
Nahin, nahin.
viewers who who are Indians also. So it's perfectly fine
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
want to. So my next question for you is, why did you want to start writing a blog? Like you said, you were creative. So did you have any ambition? Like where did you want to take your blog to?
No, actually, firstly, I didn't have any ambition for that. अभी तो firstly मैंने जब चालू किया, it was like just let's give it a try. अगर आगे होता है, then we'll continue. And by God's grace, आगे चालू हो गया, and I continued.
Acha. And मतलब, if you're saying it was this way, मतलब, did you have any inspiration? Like
Yeah,
who you saw and you thought that this is the person I want to be like types.
yeah. Actually, जैसे मैंने बोला that I used to read a lot of blogs. There is a man named Harsh Agarwal. हाँ, he is very popular blogger in India. So I used to read a lot of blogs, his blogs. So
Yeah. I have read about him as well, Harsh Agarwal being India's top blogger.
yeah,
So I do understand how you feel at this point.
yeah,
Yes. So like when you started, obviously you wouldn't have a big audience like Mr. Harsh has.
hmm,
So
hmm.
how did you try and increase your reach? Like how do you
See,
try to reach
first
out to people?
to listen to your audience and create the content that matches their interest. कि अगर audience को पसंद नहीं आया content, then they won't reach. There won't be any traffic in your blog. Then secondly, include keywords in your pages and posts. मतलब it will be easier for your blogs being searched worldwide.
Okay.
Then try using as many as photos and videos in your blog because it helps your blog to look more creative. And then the main thing that publish your blogs on social media a lot.
Okay. Was language your strength? Was it one of your best qualities that you thought that you should start writing a blog because, or it was just that you thought that blogging would be a way to express yourself? Because
Yeah,
nowadays
just
many people are very shy. So how do you like take blogging as in there?
see, I just started blogging so that I want to open up to the world and connect to many people because on during that days blogging was not much in this. Blogging was not much popular. So I started blogging and due to this I got connected to many people around the world.
Okay. And as you see that there's a new trend that is coming up rather than blogging, it's like vlogging, which is a
Yeah,
virtual form of blogging. So have you
yeah.
got experience to that area?
No, not much. I have just started. अभी चालू नहीं किया ज़्यादा. I have not made much. So my focus is on my blogging only more, and I'm starting blogging besides that.
Okay. So, like you are saying, you are now focusing on blogging. So, do you have any future plans? Like, till where do you want to take your blog?
See, there are no future plans. By abhi to I am focusing on my education and all, and I have also planned to build my own brand. Like brand के लिए बनाना है. I'm blogging for making my own brand. That's the main
Okay.
purpose of my blogging.
Okay. So, and as you said that you just started your blogging journey in 2019, you
Yeah,
aren't as old as a blogger as the other ones
yeah,
we've met right now.
yeah.
So, what do you have to say to other bloggers who are just starting their journey, who are at the same steps that you have started from?
Okay, so firstly, find out your passion and always listen to love your audience and also learn to respect your audience. Because that the main thing behind the success of a blogger or any celebrity is their audience. Then the main thing that a mistake that a lot of people do in these days, that is they are copying. जैसे vlogging में देख, it's like Mumbai का Nikhil, Carrie Minati and they all they are trying to copy Mumbai का Nikhil and their वो लोग जैसा बनना है उन लोग को. So just be yourself. Don't try to copy others. If you be
Okay.
yourself, it will be a great success for you.
Now, I had one personal question for you. When you
हाँ.
say you be yourself, what do you mean? Like, do you mean like be your personality, or do you mean like
Yeah.
just be carefree or something like that?
No. Just जैसे कि see, they are copying the style of vlogging. जैसे कि they are most of vloggers, what they do that they see other vlogs and take their content and make their own vlogs on the same content. Don't copy their content. See, because they are also known as content creator. What is a content creator? That they create their own content. बाकी के तो just copy their content. So don't copy. Just create your own content and work.
Okay. So you're saying that you need to be unique to be accessed with the world?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. That was a good thing I came to know from you. I've learned it from you.
Yeah.
So as you know, coronavirus is still in this world. It's not here.
Yeah.
It's not gone away anywhere. So during these times, how was your lockdown? Like, I know you live in India, so you had a pretty long lockdown. So
Yeah.
what did you do in that time?
Nothing. Just researching and I am not see. I am making a. I have started my vlogging in that time also. I have started vlogging and writing blogs. I published a lot of blogs. See, जब lockdown चालू हुआ, I published my first blog on lockdown. Is that living in lockdown? मैं तेरे को link दे दूंगा then. You just give
Sure,
it.
sure, sure.
Yeah.
Please give us the link so even our viewers can read that blog.
Yeah.
So, as this lockdown must have progressed, I know that it must have been a tough time. So, would you
Hmm.
like to like tell something to all the viewers, like what they should do during this lockdown, or how they should take care of themselves?
See, main thing that don't go out. The main thing that everyone must follow. Then during lockdown, many people are wasting their time just sleeping and doing time pass. See, spend your time on doing creative things. जैसे कि अभी देख हम लोग को घर पे बैठने का है, so we have 24 hours. We are 24 hours in our home only. So in those 24 hours, we can do so much creative things that उसके लिए I started blogging like that only. It was अपना जब vacation था, then I was at home, so I was thinking what to do for my time pass. So starting I started blogging, and now I'm a blogger only.
Okay, so that's a pretty good journey I think you have had. Thank you, sir, for being on our show, and
Yeah, thank
I'll
you.
sign off for now. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, chal bye. Yeah, bye.
As we end our channel, my friends, I would tell you to like to our video and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing content which is on its way. Thank you.